Is your fancy ECOVACS Deebot X1 Omni treating its docking station like a lounge chair instead of a charger? You put it on the dock, wiggle it around, but nothing. Just a sad, dead robot and a very dirty floor. So what's actually happening under the hood? We ran a full diagnostic on this unit, and the result is a double trouble situation. First, we found a broken charging plate connector, meaning the internal contacts are severed and can't draw power. To make matters worse, we also discovered a faulty main brush assembly that is triggering system errors. Here is the bad news. Repeatedly jamming the robot onto the dock won't fix it. In fact, it often melts the plastic housing or shorts out the motherboard permanently. Plus, while you're fighting with the dock, dust bunnies are staging a hostile takeover of your living room. But don't panic. Robocare has the cure. At Robocare, we don't just swap parts. We understand the complex engineering behind these machines. Our certified technicians have specialized training with ECOVACS architecture, allowing us to identify issues that general repair shops often miss. We use precision diagnostic tools to trace the voltage drop right to the source, ensuring we catch every hidden fault. Our solution is thorough. We carefully disassemble the unit, replace the compromised charging connector with genuine components, and swap out the defective main brush assembly. We ensure every connection is solid so your robot stays charged for the long haul. But enough talk. Let's show you the result. Just look at the difference. After our repair, the Deebot connects to power instantly. The charging plate is solid, the main brush is spinning flawlessly, and it's back to keeping these floors spotless. No more errors, just results. Dealing with charging issues? Visit our website or call us today to book your repair. We'll handle the heavy lifting so you don't have to.